Hello students, today we find the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about the perpendicular axis. So here we see that this is a cylinder of L length and y dash is a perpendicular axis. About this axis we find the moment of inertia in this way. First we find a circular disc which is perpendicular to the axis and at the distance O is x. The width of this disc is dx. And first we find mass of this disc and integrate over the length O2 end side and other side O2 other end side. So now we start the mass of cylinder per unit length, mass of cylinder per unit length, m upon n. So now mass of this disc, elementary disc. So mass of this elementary disc means dl equal to m upon L dx. And now next, for the moment of inertia of disc about the diameter. This is a diameter. Equal to 1 by 4 mass of this disc, so m upon L dx. And a radius of disc r square, because the radius of this cylinder is also equal to a radius of this cylinder, this disc. So now again we find moment of inertia about y dash about y dash about y dash. तो बच्चे यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि ये डायमीटर और ये एक्सिस एक दूसरे के पैरेलल है, और अगर पैरेलल है तो दो एक्सिस के पैरेलल के केस पे हम लोग पैरेलल एक्सिस थ्योरम यूज करेंगे बाय यूजिंग पैरेलल एक्सिस थ्योरम. बच्चों ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं, सो प्लीज नोट डाउन. And now further, by the using parallel axis theorem means moment of inertia of this disc about y dash. So di equal to moment of inertia about this disc means about a diameter जो कि हम पहले फाइंड कर चुके हैं. So 1 by 4 m upon L dx into r square and plus mass of this disc into the distance between axis and this disc means इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर एंड मास ऑफ डिस्क. सो मास ऑफ डिस्क m upon L dx, this mass, and the square of distance between the parallel axis means x square. So this is a small moment of inertia of this disk. So now we find total moment of inertia of this cylinder by 2 times of integration of di, क्योंकि हम लोग एक तरफ का फाइंड कर रहे हैं और हमें पूरा निकालने के लिए हमें 2 टाइम्स से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस एक्सिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ द सिलेंडर या passes through the midpoint of the cylinder. So now put the value of di 1 by 4 m upon L dx r square plus m upon L dx h square. Now taking the limit is x equals to 0 to x equals to L by 2. So 0 to L by 2. Right? Now we take common point to m upon L. So 1 by 4 r square dx plus h square dx, and putting the limit 0 to L by 2 and 0 to L by 2. Now again 1 by 4 r square is taken common, so 2 m upon L 1 by 4 r square 1 by 4 r square integration 0 to L by 2 dx plus 0 to L by 2 h square dx. Please note down. Now again, by solving the moment of inertia of the cylinder, I equals to 2 m upon L 1 by 4 r square, and integration of dx is x limit 0 to L by 2 plus integration of x square x cube by 3 and the limit 0 to L by 2. Now solving by putting limits, I equals to 2m upon L 1 by 4 r square into L by 2 minus 0 plus 1 by 3 L by 2 whole cube minus 0. So now solving again, I equals to 2m upon L r square by 4 into L by 2 plus 1 by 3 into L cube upon 8. And now taking common 4 outside and L also outside, so 2m upon L and L upon 4 taking common, so r square by 2 because L by 4 taking common plus 1 by 3 into L square by 2. L square by 2. Now L cancel out. 2 times 4. So I equals to m upon 2 and So please note down. So students, in our books, the moment of inertia I equal to m r square by 4 plus l square by 6 into 2 means 12 given in our books. So this is the moment of inertia of solid cylinder perpendicular to the axis of cylinder. So note down.